Hi, so for today's video, I will be teaching you how to enter a referral code on the Temu application. So first, ensure that you are connected to a network or data connection. Launch the application. This is how the homepage of the application looks like. Before proceeding, make sure that you are logged in to your right account if ever you are using multiple accounts on this application. Now, as you can see on the bottom part of the screen, there are icons. Choose the second icon, which is the categories. Tap the icon, and from here, you can see on the top part of the screen, there is a search bar. Tap on the search bar. You can now input your referral code. After you are done typing your referral code, tap search, which is beside the camera icon. And that is how you enter a referral code on Temu. Thank you and have a great day.